I'm Ben.
We're the Lawtons, and we have just bought the Manod pub. We've been married for 25 years in July of 2020, so we have 2 children. They're both grown up now. We have a daughter who is 23 next week, and she's at York University. And our son is currently living in London. He's 28, so they're both grown up and they've moved. But they're both very supportive of the fact that their parents have just purchased the pub. And they're looking forward to coming and visiting and meeting the community at some point.
And working behind the bar.
Oh yeah, we're going to put them to work. So yeah, we both like to think we're in charge, but Ben's the boss really.
Yeah, right.
This is our dog Dexter, he's the real boss. He loves the pub, and it's a very dog-friendly pub, and we're keeping it a dog-friendly pub.
Ask us why we've come to Blina, and it isn't just because it's a beautiful mountains and scenery. The people are friendly. We've been made to feel really welcome, exceptionally dog-friendly, and we're really enjoying our life here. Even though it's been a month so far, it feels like home already.
Yeah, we were looking for a community pub, and we could not have asked for a better version of the best kind of traditional community pub that we could have asked for.
We're also the only pub in town to have both Sky and BT Sports, and that's something we're very much going to continue with. We've got a good football ground here, but also rugby and some other key sports too. We also support some local teams. So the local Blina football team comes here on match day Saturdays. They have some food, and the away team come too, and it's some good crack and banter in the pub. So we're looking forward to supporting more teams, if and when they want to come. We want to get some disco, and we want to get some good Welsh bands in here as well. We've also got a quiz night every other Thursday, and that's really popular with locals and tourists alike.
Yeah, we're all about the community, and if you have a community group and you're looking for somewhere to meet, do come and meet with us and discuss our options. We're very open to having afternoon groups or availing ourselves to being a meeting place. We love to support this community in any way we can. Don't forget social media. We're very social media inclined. We've got a Facebook page. Look for Manod Free House and Twitter. Do please communicate with us by social media. We love to hear from you.